What's going on, guys? This is Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, and this is the area we hit up about 2 weeks ago. We sprayed the weeds out, we fertilized, mowed, and so what we're looking for today is to see how everything's responded. How does it look? You can see behind me, it looks pretty good. I cut the grass yesterday again. It's a second time since, and a lot of the weeds are yellow, and they're not growing nearly as fast. It's still they're not growing much faster than the Bermuda now, if at all. So I'm afraid we'll probably have to spray one more time, but generally everything looks way better. The Bermuda has spread and filled in a little bit. We're just gonna walk along here. You can see everything is definitely much better. A lot of this did not get touched, so I'm not sure, why not, but we definitely need to tackle that. And this right here, I don't know if this is just part of the, it kind of looks like Bermuda, but it's definitely, if it is, it's definitely common. And this is your more typical Bermuda, which I still think most of this is common Bermuda, because it was not sodded back here. A lot of this right here is just from the dog. And this area here is, that's where I sprigged. And then this was already there, but I took sprigs from here and transplanted them over here. So yeah, I just wanted a quick update for anybody wondering. We'll call this part 2 in the 3 steps to a nice lawn. So far, I think it's a pretty big difference. If you go back and watch the previous video, and I'll show some clips here too, of where it was, what I was cutting down, and where it is now, it's a pretty big difference. And that's just after 1 treatment. I think we will come back with 1 more weed application, spray these out. And then I got a lot of things I'm kind of debating on, smoothing this whole area out with a Harley rake and then just starting over back here. And it's not because of the grass type, it's just because of how bumpy and all the rocks and stuff that are back here. And it's really a pain in the butt to mow this and to even spray it or anything, because it's just so much. So that could be coming this fall, we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick update. We got more coming. I'll just show you this. So this is my side yard, so it looks really nice. I've sprayed the weeds out of here as well, so I'm gonna try to spread some grass out this way. But again, this was never sodded back here, so I think this at one point had been sodded. And if you saw my video the other day, we put down a application of Celsius, and Celsius takes, a good 2 weeks really to see a big difference, so it's only been a few days. So hopefully the Celsius will definitely take out all of this. It doesn't look bad from a distance, but there's quite a bit of it down in here. Again, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.